Oh my God, this property deal has gone wrong. This is what all of you have been waiting for. Nobody tells you this stuff. Everything is easy. Everything just goes to plan. You can't leave the property because there's a load of TVs and everything is fully furnished and it's ready to rent and the door won't lock. But just because something goes wrong, I don't see it as wrong, I just see it as, hey listen, we've got to change plan, right?
Yes, we've got to find a solution, so that's exactly what we did. This is a 5-bedroom new build that we are creating, which actually we're still toying with the idea of creating an 8-bedroom.
Yeah, but cut a long story short was that we had a 7-month delay. So the loan that we had in place to fund this new build was denied, cancelled.
It was a development finance.
So then we had no money.
And they came out to do the first drawdown and simply said no.
Yeah,
so
strange.
It was interesting to have that conversation with the builders and everything, and also the builders are like, what do you mean no? We have all these invoices, all these unpaid things, we've ordered the bricks, we've ordered the blocks, you know, what's going on? Like, what are we going to do?
Crazy stuff.
And we were like, it's a 30 grand bill, it's not like small change.
Yeah.
So it was a big challenge. We also had absolute challenge after challenge with you know, people that are like neighbours.
Yeah, so we had all these delays, and then so you could say, oh my goodness, no funding, delays.
That's it, right? Deal's done.
What do we do? But luckily, what we have right behind where you are looking from is another house that we are just renovating right now.
Is it not locking from inside either?
We're going to do a sales bridge on this because it's what we're flipping that, but we want to pull the money out quickly and we're going to use the money from there to fund this.
Exactly.
So look, that seems like a simple thing, but I'll tell you all of the mind frick that comes up because it is known in the industry of personal development and training that people teach the thing they need the most. Yeah? And I don't mind admitting that's what I need the most because a lot of mind frick comes up, so that's why I teach on how to deal with things when they go wrong, because that's what's important. Because when everything's going smooth, I think anybody could do it. I reckon our 9-year-old daughter could manage this project if everything was going well. Yeah, I reckon she'll be able to figure it out because everyone will just, you know, plod along and get it sorted. But it's when things go wrong, even the builders don't even know what to do. They're just panicking because they think they're not going to get paid their money or whatever.
And they're like, yeah, I'm going to go off site then, that's it. And it's like, well, hang on a minute. We need some more active viewing on site for the development finance company to be okay. But then we decided in the long run, it was going to be much easier and much more swift in the way that we handled our projects normally and how we paid the builders, because this was a first for them. They'd never been in an experience where we'd ever paid them late or anything like that. So they did get panicked. We got panicked a little bit, but we stayed calm in the scenario that we knew we'd find a solution. And then yes, because of our amazing power team and our broker, knowing that we had the flip that was almost coming to fruition, he said, why don't we just get a sales bridge on it? Then obviously whilst that's getting put on the market and getting through its sale, you can use that money to get the builders in play. They can smash on with work. This has happened very quickly, just around about us. The sides of it and everything are going up. In 2 weeks we've got the floor levels coming, so it's absolutely rapid now with the bricklayers on site. Everything's going really well, but obviously, like Mark said, this was touch and go for a little while as to like, what do we do, what solution can we find here? But it's a great idea to have multiple projects going on because you can obviously fall back on the other of a different strategy. It's a really, really good way of doing it.
Absolutely. Pack. Leave it for Belgium tomorrow. I'll leave at 4 o'clock in the morning. Mark is a genius. Genius. Yeah, there's a wall there. So subscribe to this channel if you want more tips, stories, things from experience, from work actually happening and projects actually happening right now to help you along your journey.
And this is great, just to add this final little nugget in there, this project, even with the delays, is going to be over. So we got the land for 115,000. The actual renovation, the build of it is going to cost us 126,000. So all in, we're looking at, you know, say 250 on this project. It's actually going to sell for in excess of 495,000. So we have a really sizable profit. But that's if we sell it. Stay tuned. We may change our mind and make this into an 8-bedroom HMO. So who knows?
Let's go. Done it. Done it. Boom.